Hey guys, this is Swastik Desai, and today we are going to talk about whether Lionel Messi is going to leave Barcelona. Yes, Messi has decided to leave the Blaugrana after his legacy of 20 years. There are some factors that could be responsible why the La Pulga has decided to leave the Catalan side. What are the reasons he may leave Barcelona? What is the response of his teammates? Which of the teams are linked to Messi? Let us find out in this video. Let's see some reasons why Messi has decided to leave Barcelona. Firstly, not good relationship with the board. As we all knew, Messi doesn't have a good relationship with Bartomeu and the board. Even an argument between Messi and Abidal took place when Abidal criticized the players for not performing, but Messi took a stand for his teammates. Such incidents led to a lot of toxicity between board and the team. Secondly, Messi was also unhappy with the board due to unexpected sacking of Ernesto Valverde despite them winning the La Liga last season. Due to coronavirus, Spanish government declared emergency and there was a salary cut in FCB, and some directors let it slip in that some players refused to accept pay cuts, and again Messi took a stand for his teammates, stating that they were all accepting pay cuts and the board was pressurizing them in doing things they would normally do. Secondly, ill treatment of Luis Suarez. The Atomic Flea is best of the friends with the Uruguayan international. Ronald Koeman rudely told Suarez that he is no longer needed in the club. Lionel Messi was unhappy with this unfair treatment towards Suarez, and even I think that this is definitely not the way to treat a club legend. Suarez is the second top goal scorer for Barcelona with 283 goals, and this is definitely not a way to treat any player. This could have fixated Messi's decision to leave Barcelona. Thirdly, heavy defeat against Bayern Munich, and that to 8-2. The event which could have added a spark which could lead to Messi leaving Barcelona is the recent defeat of the Catalan side by the German Giants in the Champions League semi-final. Last time Barcelona conceded 8 goals were to Sevilla in Copa del Rey, and that too in 1946. So we can imagine how humiliating this defeat was and how it could affect the prestige of the club and the mindset of the players. Let's look at the clause which Messi triggered. A clause in Messi's contract allowed him to leave the club unilaterally at the end of the season. This clause was inserted to make a massive buyout package, so a normal transfer is impossible for the clubs which cannot afford him. But to activate this clause, Messi had to inform Barcelona on or before May 31st, 2020, because generally this is the time which marks the end of Messi's contract and marks as the end of the season. Why Messi triggered this clause now? Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, which basically altered all the contracts, due to the pandemic, the season did not end on May 31st. Now that the season has ended, Messi has triggered the clause. What would happen if club does not accept Messi's request? If club does not accept Messi's request, then the buyout clause comes in the scenario. So let's talk about what a buyout clause actually means. Buyout clause helps to set a price at which seller values the player. A specific price is set so that derisory bids or smaller bids do not interfere. The seller's club also uses buyout clause to put off potential buyers. It gives a clear and precise message for unwanted teams to back off. If any club meets the set price, club has to sell the player. In Messi's case, the buyout clause is 700 million euros. Unbelievable, right? That means if any club could ever manage to bring that much amount of money plus add-ons, then it is mandatory for Football Club Barcelona to sell Messi. Which clubs are known to be linked to Messi? The clubs which are known to be linked to Messi are Man City, PSG, Man United, Juventus and Inter. I believe if a buyout clause takes place, the clubs which may be able to put the most amount of money along with the 2 or 3 crucial players in exchange for Messi are Man City and PSG. There are chances that Messi could join Man City because it could lead to reunion with Barcelona former manager Pep Guardiola, under whom Barcelona has won most of the trophies, and he is also a very good mentor for Messi. Or even PSG, due to Neymar, who is a very good friend of Messi and with whom he has the golden memories of the MSN trio. Next, response of Messi's teammates. Carlos Puyol tweeted in Spanish, Respecto y admiración Leo, todo mi apoyo amigo, which means respect and admiration Leo, all my support my friend. He supported Messi's decision about leaving the club. Suarez also replied with clap emoticons on Puyol's tweet. This shows how much Puyol and Suarez supported Messi's decision about leaving the Catalan side. It really feels nice to see such amazing friendship and support between them on and off pitch. This should be the chemistry of friends in real life. So, what's next? If Messi leaves Barcelona, he would face a different challenge, a different dimension of world's greatest sport in another country, and another league where he could leave a trace of his legacy. He could join the Premier League or the Serie A. Some people say that all this could be Messi's trick to get Bartomeu out of the board. Yes, I tried a sketch of Messi. Messi is one of the greatest players in the world, and I wish whatever decision he takes, it would lead to his welfare, and I really wish him good luck for his future. My humble apologies if there are any mistakes in this video because I am kind of new to making videos. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.